Hi guys, welcome back to Motor for You. So we're heading back into the buying journey, but we're going to try it a different way. The whole idea is to get it more automated. In the past, the last 20 years, I've bought everything. I've checked the catalogues, I've done everything, and it's taken hours and hours and hours. So we're going to try a different way. We're going to download the catalogue from BCA or Motorway, stick it into AutoTrader accelerated package, and then see if we can use their retail checker to wheedle out all the stuff we don't want. So days to sell, desirability in our area, years, year of the vehicle, and yeah, mileage and stuff like that. So we're going to give you that journey from start to finish. So thank you very much. Enjoy the video. Take over, Pash.
Today I'm going to show you how to use key metrics, or what I know of using metrics on AutoTrader, which most supermarkets use nowadays. So retail valuation, retail rating and things like that in the buying sector of the business. I used to do a lot of the buying back in the day. I used to actually go to the auctions myself, like physically, and actually bid on the cars and stuff. There was a lot of fun. It's changed a lot since then. We've grown the business a lot bigger. My dad pretty much does all the buying now. I do all the part exchanges. I do all the buying if a person comes into the showroom and stuff like that. But I'm actually going to move from this seat here, get someone to replace me, actually Taj, that you've seen in other videos, to do all the deal building and stuff like that, and I'm going to go into the buying sector. We're going to try a different way this time. It may not work. Usually we just use this and knowledge and experience of many years of buying and selling cars. We know what we like. We know sort of what year, sort of mileage, what's pretty good on mechanical and stuff like that, and what's good sellers. But I've been asked by the old man to try a new way of doing it. I'm not very good at change, but I will give it a go. So I'm sure you guys, some of you may have used this, some may have you not, but on AutoTrader, this dealer portal was part of AutoTrader. They have a sector which is called an accelerator, and basically what that is there's a few components to it, but there's a part in it where you can do a bulk retail check. So what you can do is you can download all the catalogue from like Motorway or BCA, wherever you buy from, and instead of having to go through every single car manually yourself, you can literally download it all to an Excel spreadsheet, and it will put it through your AutoTrader system, where we pretty much what we use as a benchmark for our retail, how to price our cars, and it will give you a retail rating. You can filter down to like price, you can filter down to mileage, what year you want, make and model. Like I said, I've never used it before, so today's sort of a practice exercise, but I thought I'd show you guys. So let's have a look. So this is Dealer Portal, part of AutoTrader. This is pretty much what I live on for analytics and key metrics. Obviously you've got performance ratings and stuff like that. We've just added a new tab called Accelerator on the top right here. And that's all to do with helping you with the bulk retail check and things like that. There's a load of new stuff in here for me. I've never seen this sort of stuff. It's stuff I need to sort of learn. I have had a demonstration on it, but I feel like with me, it's best just to sort of get stuck in and then make mistakes and learn from them. You've got a target phase, release phase, overage phase, so sort of how quickly you want your cars to sell. Obviously you've got 0 to 45, it's pretty much standard across the range. But today we'll be looking at bulk retail check. So click on that, and in here is all your saved catalogues of the one that sells, so like Motorway, BCA, all them avenues that you look to buy from, all them sourcing places. All your catalogues will be saved in here. The reason they're saved in here, this is as far as I can understand, because I've only just started using it. I'm sure as time goes on, I'll get used to it more. But the reason why it goes into here is, and you can then get your AutoTrader retail valuation, retail rating, all that sort of bits. So how you get that CSV or Excel into here, as far as I know, is you download a CSV template, which is up here. So that's just literally a blank template. which I'll show you just now. So that will give you this page here, this spreadsheet here. So you've got your VRM, which is the registration number, and then you've also got your mileage. I've been told by AutoTrader that's all you need. You don't need your spec and your notes. All you need is the VRM and the mileage. So what you then do is you go on to your source of buying. So for us today, I'm looking at BCA.
No.
I'm going to go to Monday sell. Obviously, you can look at all different types of catalogues. There's UK Car Group. Not really something I've looked at in the past. It's We Buy Any Car, basically. It's not really a bit of us, but it may be something we look into when I take over the buying side or help my dad out, basically. But we mainly look at X-Lease. I'll go through that on the further down in the video, but we mainly look at X-Lease because it's 3-year-old stuff. It's pretty clean. They have to look after it. So we're going to go on BCA OS sell. We're going to go on preview lot. So they've got 478 vehicles in that sell on Monday. So on the top right here, I can export all to Excel. Just wait for that to load, because obviously there's a lot of cars to download. So yeah, that will give you this spreadsheet here. So that's basically downloaded all into an Excel. And what we're going to do now is download, copy and paste that whole registration numbers here, all the way to the bottom. And then I'm going to copy and paste all the mileage column as well. That's going to go into that blank template, into here. I have already done this, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You then save that template. You then go back onto bulk retail check on AutoTrader, and you upload CSV. That then comes up and looks like this here, which I'm circling here. I then click on this. There might be a much easier way to do this, but yeah, this is how I know so far. I've only started using it today. So yeah, this will give you, as you can see, make and model, model derivative, VRM, mileage, what AutoTrader say you should retail it at, the retail rating of that vehicle out of 100, so that's within, I think, 40 miles, how good of a seller that is, and then days to sell. I actually didn't realise they've got live market condition here. It's actually, car sales have become more like stocks and shares with all the AutoTrader analytics and key metrics, but it's interesting, very interesting. But yeah, this live market condition is actually something I'll be looking at. I know, like I said, I never realised they had it on there, but it's something I'll be looking at now. So let's go down to something like this A-Class here. Got a great retail valuation. I remember I've never used retail rating before in my life. I've been doing this 15 years, I've never used it. Where is it again? Yeah, so a 96 out of 100, that's got to be good. And a plus 67% in live market conditions. So that right there looks like a good buy by the looks of AutoTrader's analytics or key metrics. I'm then going to go back on the catalogue, find that car. That's it here. Unfortunately, for some reason, it hasn't got a cap clean price, so I'm not really sure what it's kind of going for in the auction. So I can't really sort of know what I want to sort of give for it. But it's not just this car we'll be looking at, we'll be looking at hundreds. So as I'm starting out, I'm just starting to learn all this new key metrics side of everything. We're actually going to try on one of these cars or a few of these cars, and we'll show the journey from showing you exactly a car on the analytics side of it, seeing it turn up, and seeing if the actual key metrics live up to their expectations. So if we're going at their retail valuation or around their retail valuation that they say, what the AutoTrader retail rating says, and how many days it takes to sell.
Hi everyone, Sheik from Motor for You. Just wanted to say a massive thank you for all of you for watching, commenting, liking and subscribing to our channel.